How to translate message on WhatsApp on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be brought to the chats page. Here, you can view all your chats with friends on WhatsApp. Open any chat from here. Press and hold the message you want to translate and then tap on Copy from the options. Then, go to the text bar and paste the text. Now, select the text and tap on the arrow icon. Then, tap on Translate from the options. As you can see, the message has now been translated. Here, tap on Replace with Translation. You can now share the translated message in this chat. Following these steps, you can easily translate message on WhatsApp on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.